how to request payments on Revolut. So basically, if you'd like to request a payment on Revolut, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Revolut application. Once you launch the Revolut app, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now what you have to do is, if you would like to request money to someone or from someone, you would have to just tap on the payment icon from the bottom of the Revolut app. Once you tap on it, you'll be taken to the payments tab. Obviously, now you can simply select a person from who you would like to request the money from. Once you search for that person, you can also enable a contact access. Once you've done that, you can say send or request. So you can see create payment link option right there. So once you've done that, you can just tap on the request button right there and you'll be able to request money on Revolut. This way you'll be able to actually request your money on Revolut. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.